Hello everyone, bonjour tout le monde, kamusta sa inyong lahat? Happy New Year! Today we will be opening a gift from Marisol. Hi Marisol, and thank you for the gift. So let's get unboxing. Now since we got this part open, let's get the whole box. Also, it has a microphone, a condenser microphone with a tripod, a cardioid, noise-canceling large mic capsule, an imported digital audio chip technology, which sounds really cool, pop filter, and shockproof metal anti-skid stand, and a patent classic appearance design. And I really like the design on the box. There it is. Instructions and a warranty card. A wire with a microphone, and also this. And yeah, that's all. So I'm gonna try it out in the next. Thank you. It looks really cool, and thank you, Marisol. And this is her channel right here. So, I'd say that this is really, really cool. Thank you. Happy New Year. Goodbye.